Hello everyone, welcome to our class. Today we will start our next topic, which is called video making or editing. So through this topic, you will practice these skills on how to collecting data, analyzing data, and also you will get the opportunity to work collaboratively to see each other's work and share your opinions with the other students in the class. Now, the software we will going to use for this topic, which is called Adobe Premiere Pro CS6. I will show you how to launch this software later. But now, can everybody go to Daymap, download the first exercise, which is called Movie Making Exercise 01. So through this exercise, you will practice those key skills, such as navigating Adobe Premiere Pro, creating a new project, importing media. This is including video and also photo as well. Sometimes might be audio file. So next skill, which is called using the preview pane, and also how to saving a project through Premiere Pro. So once you complete this exercise, please go to Daymap again and download another exercise, which is called Movie Making Exercise 02. So through this exercise 02, you will practice how to adding video transitions, adding cross zoom, and also adding cross dissolve. So you might consider where I can find a video. So if you don't have your own video in your H drive, that's totally fine. So you can go to S drive, computing, non-digital technology, and video editing, then footage. So in this footage folder, you can use all sorts of videos which I uploaded there, and feel free to edit them. But before you editing those video footage, please copy them and save it in your H drive first. So if you need any sound, also in students drive, computing, non-digital technology, MP3, sound folder. So I uploaded some MP3 like a background music. Please feel free to use them. Of course, you can find your own like a footage, and also you can use your own music. That's totally fine. Okay, so now let's have a look at how to launch this software. So we have to go to the search bar and just type Adobe, Adobe, then Adobe Premiere Pro CS6 pop up. So we just click on this one. If it is your first time to launch this software, it takes a couple of seconds. So after that, you probably see this page. So because we're starting a new project, so we have to click New Project, the first one. Okay, so at here you can naming your project. So you might be call it like the exercise 1, then click OK. And of course, please feel free to pick a location where you want to save your file. Click Browse, click OK. So after that, you will see this page. It is called New Sequence here. So we just keep the existing setting here. Then we keep the sequence name as 01. Then we click OK. Alright, now you will see the editing page. So please open your worksheet exercise 1, and now you are ready to start those activities. Thank you for watching.